Hey friends, thanks for checking out our tiny video where in 3 minutes or less, we're going to give you some information on ways to integrate Foursquare analysis into your classroom for image and vocabulary integration. As always, this is brought to you by the amazing social studies team at the Georgia Department of Education. Let's dive in. I want to first begin by giving credit where credit is due and shout out Melissa Shaddix and Dr. Becky Rickley in Fayette County who shared this strategy with me at a workshop that I attended theirs last summer, and it was awesome. Now, I know there's lots of strategies out there that utilize the name Foursquare, so here's what we mean for the purposes of this strategy. It's a strategy that uses, you guessed it, the four corners of your room to support student evaluation and encourage discussion, and here's how. What you, the teacher, are going to do is begin with an image. Share that image with the students along with four vocabulary terms that have something to do with that image. Students are then going to look at the image, look at the four terms provided, and they're going to select from those four terms and pick one that they think best aligns with the image. They'll then go to that corresponding corner of the room where hopefully they're going to meet up with some other like minded peers. Each corner will then discuss why they think the image best supports the vocabulary term that they have chosen. Next thing they're going to do is groups are going to share their justifications. So, what's good about this is an opportunity for students to justify, defend, potentially persuade their peers. So, keep in mind that students may move to a different corner if they find themselves persuaded by the justifications and evidence that their peers are presenting. Then, as a whole class, the class is going to choose the singular best vocabulary term to represent the image. So, let's try it out today. So, here's an image for you to give you an idea. Moving on, here's four vocabulary words that I have thrown together for that. Destruction, total war, Atlantic campaign, strategy. You would set this up. Students would go to one of four corners. So again, make their choice. Here's what you need to know. You are not looking for a singular right answer. The beauty of this strategy is in the justification and the connections. And think about what that's going to show to you from a review standpoint. Think about the information students will need to know about their content to be able to analyze that image and correctly align it with a vocabulary term that makes sense. Bottom line is the classroom discussion mixed with their knowledge of vocabulary and their analysis of that image is definitely going to lead to some historical thinking success. So it is a green light go for you to try this activity in your classroom. Make sure you're following us on any of our social media platforms to share how you have integrated this review and analysis into your class. Thanks for watching.